Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add the sleep option to the power menu in Windows 10. Sleep mode is a convenient feature that allows you to quickly pause your work and put your computer into a low power state while keeping your session and applications open. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button, and in the search bar, type Control Panel. Press Enter to open it. Step 2. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on the Power Options icon. Step 3. Within the Power Options window, navigate to the left side and click on the Choose What the Power Buttons Do link. Step 4. On the next screen, you'll see the option to change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on this link located at the top of the page. Step 5. Scroll down to the Shutdown Settings section. Here you'll find the Sleep option. Tick the checkbox next to it. Step 6. To save your changes, click or tap on the Save Changes button. That's it. By following these 5 simple steps, you can add the sleep option to the power menu in Windows 10. This feature allows you to quickly put your computer into a low power state, preserving your session and applications while consuming minimal energy. Sleep mode is especially useful when you need to step away from your computer for a short period, but want to quickly resume your work without having to restart your applications and reopen your documents. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.